The revelation did not come as doctrine, but as structure, three movements within one act of understanding. The Triadic revelation was the Gnostic key to existence itself, that every truth is born through tension and every ascent requires descent. The cosmos, the soul and the divine all mirror this same law of three, the eternal pulse of emanation, fragmentation and return. To know this pattern is to awaken from illusion, to live it is to transcend it. The first illumination is emanation. All things begin in unity, the unspoken source beyond thought or form. From this fullness flows the first motion, the spirit descending into creation, seeking to know itself through multiplicity. What is above becomes below. The divine enters limitation, light clothes itself in matter. This is the secret origin of both cosmos and consciousness, the one dividing so that it may perceive itself. Emanation is not exile. It is curiosity made manifest. The second illumination is division. Here, the fall is not sin, but separation. The material world is the mirror through which the divine perceives its own absence. Souls wander through ignorance, mistaking reflection for source and power for meaning. This is the realm of demiurges and false rulers, systems that trap the spirit in matter and mind in mechanism. Division is painful yet essential. Without distance, there can be no recognition. The shadow reveals the light it hides. The third illumination is reintegration. The final movement of the revelation is the return, when the fragmented self awakens to its origin and remembers the unity that never ceased to be. This is the gnosis, not belief, but direct knowing. The soul ascends not by escaping matter, but by transfiguring it, by finding the divine encoded even in the dust. Reintegration is the completion of the triad, the reconciliation of opposites, the restoration of harmony through consciousness. Emanation births creation. Division teaches perception. Reintegration restores being. The triadic revelation is the map of existence written into every level of reality, the hidden rhythm by which worlds rise and return. The Gnostics taught that salvation was not granted but realized, that heaven and hell are not places but conditions of understanding. To awaken is to see the pattern in all things, the divine current flowing beneath decay, the intelligence moving through chaos, the quiet remembrance that nothing truly lost is beyond restoration. For in the end, every fragment is a path back to the source, and every seeker is the one remembering itself through time.